to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely wonderful day. Again, thank you for being here. Thank you for commenting, giving me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I love talking with you guys. If you're new, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join our family here on YouTube. But as you can see from the description, today we have another order from BH Cosmetics. And this is actually only one item, and it came out just recently, and I saw it. I was like, oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. So I ordered it. So let's open it up. I cannot wait to see. It's actually been here for a couple of days, but with Halloween and everything, I have gotten behind on videos. So I have waited to open it with you guys. So as always, BH Cosmetics always does such a great job with their packaging. And let's see, there's a little foundation sample. This is telling us about their new Royal Affair collection. Own the beauty throne is what it says. Take the crown. This is talking about their Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So, some information. I don't know why I just said that way. All right. So then, they make sure that it is going to be good in shipping. All right, set that to the side. Sorry for the crunching. Some ASMR going on in this video, I reckon. So I said they had the new Royal Affair collection. Boom. This is their Royal Affair palette. I don't know why I said boom. I'm a nerd. Yeah, I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. So, and you know, BH Cosmetics, they always have great deals, so it, you know, doesn't do anything really to your bank account. This is a 20 shadow palette, and this is the actual palette out of the packaging, which I think is really pretty. Oh my goodness. Yo. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna hold it upside down because of the mirror. I don't want to blind you guys. But these colors, are they not so gorgeous? And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shimmer shades. So 13 matte. So these, you guys, again, can we take a minute to appreciate this right here? I love the names of these colors. I'm just gonna go this. I dropped it, y'all. I dropped the whole palette. Okay, sorry. Oh, we need a blooper reel. Okay, so I'm going to go this way and tell you guys all of the colors. Oh, that's crazy. I almost fell when I was getting up. Okay, Reign, Majesty, Lord, Lady, Regal, Crown, Duchess, Emperor, Monarch, Enchanted, Throne, Palace, High Tea, Empress, Aristocrat, Primrose, Prince, Honor, Emperor, and Princess. I was wondering, I was like, where's Prince? They've got her, y'all. I don't know what happened right there. But I was saying that Princess is the last color, and I was like, I know they've got to have one in here named Princess. But I'm just going to show you one more time because I think they're just absolutely gorgeous. So this is the new BH Cosmetics Royal Affair palette. Let me actually go back to this card because they have, okay, it says it launched October 17th, so about 2 weeks or so ago. But they have obviously the palette, and then it says in this collection they have 10 metallized, 10-piece metallized brush set. So they have a brush set that goes with it, a 5-piece liquid linen lip set, which is actually right here, and the colors do look very, very pretty. And here are the brushes. They also have 1 petite highlight set and a 3-piece glitter set. So the palette just was like, hey, you need me. So but I just wanted to share with you guys that they do have a new line out, and BH Cosmetics is amazing. They are so affordable, and the products, you know, the formula, the pigmentation, everything is so amazing. So just wanted to share. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Excuse where I about fell, and just I'm a hot mess today. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and until the next video, I will talk with you guys soon.